Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday.
Thomas is a wanker who lives at a big station on the island of Sodor. He's a cheeky little engine with 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler and a short stumpy dick. He's a fucker too, always fucking coaches. And when trains come in, he pulls the empty coaches away so that the big engines can go and wank. Thomas thinks no engine works as hard as he does. He loves fucking them, including Gordon, the biggest and proudest engine. Thomas likes wanking rudely at him. Wake up, lazy bones, why don't you work hard like me? Gordon had arrived back at the sidings very hard. He was just wanking when Thomas came. Wake up, lazy bones, do some hard work for a change. You can't fuck me. And off he ran wanking. Instead of going to sleep again, Gordon thought how he could fuck Thomas. One morning, Thomas wouldn't wank. His driver and fireman couldn't make him harder. His fire went out and there was not enough coming. It was nearly time for the express. People were waiting, but the coaches weren't ready. At last, Thomas started wanking. Oh dear, he yawned. He fussed into the station where Gordon was wanking. Hurry up, you, said Gordon. Oh dear. Gordon began making his come. Yes, said Gordon, I will come. And almost before the coaches had stopped moving, Gordon came. Get in quickly, please, he whistled. Thomas usually pushed behind the big trains to help them start, but he was always uncoupled first. This time Gordon started so quickly they forgot to uncouple Thomas. Gordon had come. The train went faster and faster, too fast for Thomas. He wanted to stop, but he couldn't. Peep, peep, stop, stop! Hurry, 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 laughed Gordon. You can't get away, laughed the coaches. Help me! Next, he went onto a turntable, thinking of everyone laughing at him. Help me! Help! And then he ran onto a siding out of the way. Thomas went onto a turntable. Help! Well, little dick, chuckled Gordon. Now you know what hard fuck means, don't you? Poor Thomas couldn't answer. He had no cum. He just puffed slowly away to rest and had a long, long wank. Wank, 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 wank. Wank, 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 wank. Wank, 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 wank. Wank, 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 wank.